What's up? This is James. This is episode 2 of Baking Dankums. Today we're going to be making lemon bars, so let's get to it. Alright, to start, we're going to make the crust of this. That's fine. So while the oven's preheating, I'm going to set that to the side. And I'm going to start on the exports. Oven's preheated. Throw this in here for 20 minutes. Alright, I'm going to throw it back in for 25 more minutes. Alright, this is for show done. I may have even left it in there a little bit too long, but let's take it out. Ooh, smell good. I'm gonna let it cool because it's still cooking as it's sitting here. So I gotta wait a while. Then I'm gonna powder it with this more confectioner sugar. I don't really need to. It's preferential. I don't like to. I probably will though, just for the sake of the video. So, all right. That is lemon bars. Let them cool. Cut them up. And you Gucci, my Gucci.